everybody. Today you're going to be answering your 13 colonies map questions. So for this assignment, you're going to need to access your digital notebook. If you opened your digital notebook yesterday for the first time, you should be able to find this in your drive, or you can click on the link right here in your weekly agenda and open it through Canvas. Once you get into your digital notebook, you're going to navigate down to slide 9, and you're going to use your 13 colonies map that you've worked on this week to answer these questions. Okay, so you will need to reference your map for this. Even if you didn't finish yesterday's work, everybody should be starting with your 13 colonies map questions because you'll be turning in your 13 colonies map today. So looking at the information on your map, you should be able to answer all of these questions. You're not required to use complete sentences, so you can just click in the text box and provide the answer. When you're all done, it says on the agenda that you're going to turn in your map. So I've got some bins at the front of the class. Make sure you put your map in the bin that has your period on it. It's in my sub plan as well, so the sub will know that you're supposed to turn in your maps. I'm going to tell them to remind you, but even if they don't say anything, it's your responsibility to make sure that you turn it in before you leave today, so make sure that you do that. The next thing you're going to work on when you're done with your 13 colonies map questions is this Lost Colony of Roanoke introduction. So it's still in your digital notebook. It's just on actually slide 10, so I will fix that in just a second. So when you navigate down to slide 10, it says to use the link to access the slideshow. The slideshow will help you answer the questions. So when you click on this link, you'll open up a slideshow of information about the Lost Colony. The first part just gives you some, written background information and some pictures to look at. So you'll just use the information here and here and here to answer the first part of your questions, numbers 1 through 6. Then it says to watch the video that's included in the slideshow. You only need to watch the video for about 15 minutes, but if you watch the rest of it, it'll help you understand a little bit more about the Lost Colony. So when we're looking at this video, you should be able to play it right in your slideshow. And then within the first 15 minutes, it will give you the answers to questions 7 through 10. Okay. The video itself is, I think it's like 28 minutes or so. Yeah, 27 minutes. So if you have time, even tomorrow, this is on the agenda for tomorrow too, you can finish watching it, and it will help you to understand a little bit more about the Lost Colony, which will help you to do our next assignment that's coming up. Okay, but the first 15 minutes will get you these 4 questions answered. So looking on our agenda for tomorrow too, it says to finish the Roanoke introduction. So you may not finish this today in class, and that's okay. You can finish tomorrow. And then the rest of the week we'll be working on a separate assignment about Roanoke. And there will be a video tomorrow explaining the instructions for that. So if you guys have any questions, shoot me a message. Be good for the substitute and make sure to turn in your map before you leave. Have a good one.